8th of March, guys, Sunday, late afternoon in Europe, so good late afternoon from my side. Good morning, evening, wherever you are, guys. First thing first, the best wishes for all women's watching our recording. It's International Women's Day, so best wishes, ladies. I'm glad that I can wish you all the best. Still few hours left when it comes to the Sunday, so enjoy your Sunday. What we are going to discuss here, we are going to go through another sell-off when it comes to the crypto. So, well, looks like we are covering only sell-offs lately. So because the major assets in relation to the coronavirus looks like the offer side or the supply is a little bit stronger when it comes to the crypto as well. So without the further delay, let's straight jump to the Bitcoin chart and let's start with what is going on there. Okay, so unfortunately, the things here not looking too good. Looks like we are related where the previously in the past market been reacted, right? So the relation here is working quite good when it comes to the Bitcoin. It's enough to check the left side. So there is a failure, right, around the 9,200, and well, strong, but horrible strong rejection, right, going on. And we, well, some time ago we were like not that many hours ago 9,200, and right now we are testing 8,400 and a little bit lower levels. And when it comes to the daily chart, that's the previous demand been visible here, but not sure if we are going to get any kind of the reaction. I do expect a little bit lower levels, and it's easy to try to compare this with this 1 to 1. So in that case, looks like 7,600, 7,400, the zone over here might be tested, meaning that when it comes to the Bitcoin, ahead of the halving, right, we might retest a yearly open before we are going to get and see another rally, right? So, well, that's how the things works from time to time, and we have to be aware of that. There is a little bit light in the tunnel in case we are going to get the close above this buying zone. So let me show you. Yeah, in case we are going to get the close above those lower shadows we've seen previously, right? Well, that could be something. Of course, we have immediate supply around 8,800 again, right? But that would buy some time for the buyers, right, to consolidate the market. In case we are going to get this type of the close, so break down, right, probably we are going to close the business and we are going to retest 7,600, 7,400. That's how I see the things, especially that the range, this range here, right, when it comes to the opening closing levels, once we broke through, we haven't seen the real retest. So, well, I do expect some bullish activity, but unfortunately from the bulls perspective, a little bit lower than what we have right here right now, unless quickly we are going to get back above 8,700, but then 9,200, 9,500, that's what we have to take out as quickly as possible, which doesn't look it may work this time, right? So overall, I'm not a fan of selling Bitcoin, being short, but if you are, you know, more brave than me, for sure, there are plenty of good sellers around, and then you can join this type of the party. Be careful, of course, around. I'm still staying long Ether. That's the next thing we are going to discuss here. Ethereum, ETH, and well, very similar situation to what we have on the Bitcoin, 220 and 200. That's the zone. If we are going to get the close below today, I may consider to cut the losses, right, and run away. And I'm going to look for another possibility. Very similar price action to what we have on the Bitcoin side. Okay, so I think we are going to see something very similar, right? So in that case, if it's 1-to-1, the green zone is going to get back to play, right? And in that case, the 50%, and again, the levels which were zones, levels which were so important in the past. Okay, in that case, move below 200 will open 186, 175, 185, 175. Okay, so that's how I see the things from the other side. And in that case, if that's gonna be the case, and I'm going to, you know, I'm going to close my long exposure, then here on Ethereum, I may try, not on the Bitcoin, but here I may try to look for the rally back, retest to 30, and sell off towards 185, 175 on Ethereum. All right, that's how I see the things. That would provide this easy 1-to-1 move to the downside, right? Now, when it comes to the bounce and rally, what kind of the bounce and rally, of course, depends where we are going to get the close, right? But this type of the move, right? So probably we are going to get back a little bit lower, and that would be those 230 I've been talking. Try to look, guys, that's what we are discussing very often when we are talking about the FX or indices, right? Try to find some easy solution, right? Don't try to find the things that no one is using, right? 1-to-1, equal size of the moves, and that's the easiest way to program the algo, right? And lately the algos are moving the market, so well, we have to adopt, right? Anyway, so that's how I see the things when it comes to the crypto. Overall, the sentiment in relation to the coronavirus, there are additional stuff in relation to the OPEC situation and with the Saudi Arabia. Plenty of things to discuss. I'm going to make an update either a little bit later today ahead of the market open or very early morning tomorrow ahead of the European Open. We will see plenty of things, and well, I see some possible gaps down Middle East in sell-offs. Well, I will get back into this. Looks like we have some connection finally between the crypto and the other markets. So there is sell-off and here is sell-off. So that's not great last 48 hours for the crypto bulls. But again, we have International Women's Day. So again, for all our nice ladies, best wishes, good luck, and enjoy the rest of the Sunday, guys. Thank you. It was my pleasure to make the update for you. a little bit more pain coming into the crypto market. That's how I see the things for now. We'll make an update when necessary. Have a good one. Take care and goodbye.